Hello. That's ominous.
Good morning.
Hi. Is this the day?
This is the day. Say hi to the internet.
Hello, the whole of the internet. Looking at me in bed. Stop.
I was told it was going to be cold today, and everyone is wearing factor 50 sun cream.
I think you need factor 100, Phil. That's
Yeah,
not lie.
I'm going to set on fire.
How ready do you feel for this moment, Phil?
I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. I'm so excited!
Realize that freight trains and paper planes are just like you and me.
Oh, it's so cute.
And funny how the world keeps spinning.
Hello,
round
mister.
and round and round. Where you land is where I'd like to be. And I wandered down the
You look
road.
so sleepy.
Met up with a drifter, he said, hey, I don't think we met.
Is that comfortable?
I don't know. I think it looks pretty cozy.
It's like, what is happening? Who are these people? Why have I woken up today?
Whoa, whoa, where you land is where I'm gonna be.
Does this mean we've got to leave the house?
Oh shit, we haven't thought about this, have we? What's that like? What do we do? Where do we go?
What is out there? Would I die if I jumped down all those stairs?
The way you move, night skies and fireflies that fly so peacefully. Me, I've been running.
Here we go.
Tired of moving all around. Where you stand is where I should have been. Whoa.
So we've arrived at Regent's Park, which is a big green space in London. Imagine the softest teddy bear and times it by about 10.
Of course, Phil's shoelace has come undone. One of the many hazards of adventuring.
Said where you land is where I'm gonna be.
Those are some fast swans. Look at that.
What is that? That is a swan on a mission. What's your problem?
Oh, come fly with me. Oh, where you land.
I'm like, what are these muscles I've never used before? I'm used to just kind of like my trackpad muscles and my eyes.
So we've had to sit down for a break. My poor legs.
Trains and airplanes are just like you and me. And funny how the world keeps spinning round and round and round. And where you land is where I wanna be. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Do you want me to leave you alone?
Where I'm gonna be. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What food options do we have?
I'm thinking Mexican.
Do we have Mexican? Mexican feast achieved! Yeah!
So the night is coming to a close. I've just been reading some Stephen King just after sunset in bed. Yeah, but it's getting quite late. And I'm gonna go sleep now.
Sounds like a good idea.
Good night, world.
Good night, internet. Hope you enjoyed.
Look at his little face.